Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the power board in this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the refrigerator away from the wall. Unthread the 5 screws securing the control board access cover using the Phillips head screwdriver. Set the cover aside. Note the orientation of the wire connectors connected to the power board. Then disconnect them. Unthread the screw to release the grounding wire from the grounding block. You can now release the 3 retaining tabs to detach the old board. To install the new power board, position the left edge first, then align the board on the mounting pin and snap it into place. Connect the wire connectors to the appropriate terminals on the board. Thread the screw to secure the power board grounding wire and the control board grounding wire. Replace the access cover and thread the screws to secure. The lower left screw secures the power cord to the cover. The smaller fine threaded screw secures the cover to the grounding block. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the power cord back in. And the refrigerator should be ready for use.